With our school partnerships, I feel like they love Circadia and we stand out because of the support that we provide, as well as the top-notch education that we provide. We have a lot of different outlets for education, not only for instructors, but also for students. Circadia University is a very large platform that is free, which is not normal in the industry anymore, and we allow for our school partners to have full access at all times, and as well as their students. So with our school partnerships, they're able to incorporate all of our online modules and such within their curriculum, which makes their lives a bit easier when they're going through school. Another big support is that we are able to get into the schools quarterly for in-person education. We also are able to customize the education based off of what they're looking for, what the students' needs are, as well as the instructors. And we also provide them with different student kit options, which also helps a lot within the clinical studies and such things like that when they're on the floor. So we have a lot to offer to our school partners, and that's what makes us stand out. Students start small, and we also have a full student partnership program as well, which I can give shout out to Chelsea in our corporate office. Chelsea helps with all of our student partners. So initially, even as they are a student within the school, we provide them full support from the moment that they create a professional account with us all the way up through graduation, and then even after they graduate, Chelsea then passes them off to a business development manager for support if they're opening their own business, if they're being employed by a different spa or medical spa. So they have full support from the time that they become a Circadia student within the school partnership all the way up through graduation, and then even after. We do have a lot of different options in terms of mixology, as well as different protocols that you can also create just with a minimal amount of products if you decide to start small, because we don't have any of those opening order requirements or order minimums. So even if you just start off with maybe a mastin enzyme, we probably have 4 or 5 different treatment protocols that you're able to utilize within your treatment room, and then you can grow from there and branch off and bring on additional items that you need. But you can start small, and you do have a lot of opportunity even with just starting out small.